Hello and welcome to MD Insider. The Christ Hospital Heart and Vascular Institute is a leader in innovation and groundbreaking treatments for cardiac patients. Long recognized as Cincinnati's heart hospital, they're also ranked as a top 50 cardiac program nationally. We're joined by Dr. Dean Kereiakes, President and Medical Director of the Christ Hospital Heart and Vascular Institute. Dr. Kereiakes, tell us how the Christ Hospital Heart and Vascular Institute has gained national recognition year after year.
Well, thank you, Clyde. For the 7th consecutive year, U.S. News and World Report has named the Christ Hospital #1 in Greater Cincinnati for cardiology and heart surgery, and we're now ranked among the nation's top 50 heart care programs by multiple sources. Such independent validation of our programs is both exciting and humbling. We recently established a Women's Heart Center with an internationally recognized women's heart specialist, Dr. Adaime Quesada. Dr. Quesada joined us from the Barbara Streisand Women's Heart Center at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles. We've seen an incredibly positive response to this service from women, and we're expanding to meet the need. The Christ Hospital Women's Heart Center has more clinical research involving issues that affect women's heart than any center in the country. Dr. Tim Henry, formerly Chief of Cardiology at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles and an internationally recognized authority on heart attack treatments, has dramatically improved our response time for heart attack treatment by training first responders to begin the life-saving process in the field. And Dr. Carrie Gorder heads our Life Flight helicopter program to transfer the most critically ill patients to the Christ Hospital for urgent cardiac interventions. Dr. Jeff Van Sweeney has performed first in man, first in the U.S. use of novel stent graft treatments for thoracic and abdominal aneurysms, as well as aortic dissection. Our aortic program is growing, and Dr. J. Michael Smith, a world-recognized leader in cardiac robotic surgery, heads our mitral valve surgical program and has performed more than 3,000 robotic heart surgeries to date. We also have multiple less invasive catheter treatments for repair or replacement of the mitral and tricuspid valves. Our complex cardiac ablation program is the busiest and best in the region for atrial fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia treatment. The ablation team, led by Drs. Pelkovitz, Gupta, Beyerback, and our newest team member, Andrew Knoll, brings leading-edge technology and expertise to the region. Clyde, we have a very talented team of doctors, nurses, clinical professionals, and support staff who are passionate about saving lives and improving patient outcomes.
Thank you for joining us today and for sharing those exciting developments from the Christ Hospital Heart and Vascular Institute. Very few centers in the country come close to providing the innovation, leading-edge technology, and expertise available at the Christ Hospital. For a second opinion on cardiac surgery or to talk with a cardiologist, contact a heart and vascular specialist at the Christ Hospital. For more information on treatment options, go to wcpo.com/MDinsider or call 513-260-1270.